namaste and welcome to Dr. Shahs Clinic. In yet another video, we are going to answer the question, can a hot water bath kill sperm production? Alright, now who does not like a hot water bath? Hot water baths are really relaxing to both the body and the mind, and sitting in a jacuzzi or a nice sauna or a nice hot water bath can indeed be very refreshing. Some of us are privileged to have it, some of us are not so privileged. I think I'll be in the not so privileged category. I've never had a hot water bath, and I guess I can only look up into the stars and dream that someday that I should have a nice hot water bath in a jacuzzi or a sauna. But however, dreams apart, there are a lot of studies which actually suggest that if you're trying for a child and if fertility is your main objective, you probably want to avoid taking a hot water bath at all costs. Whether be it a jacuzzi or a sauna or just washing yourself in hot water, you don't want to do it. And the reason is quite simple, because there were studies which were published in the early 1990s which actually looked at, which actually measured the scrotal temperature increase, when an individual was immersed in a hot water bath for about 30 minutes. And what they actually found was, within 10 minutes, the scrotal temperature reached the core body temperature, and that should never usually happen, because even a 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature can lead to a 14% reduction in sperm production. That includes sperm count as well as sperm motility. So what the study actually found and reported was that if an individual takes a hot water bath 30 minutes once a week for a period of 3 months, definitely there's going to be reduction in both the sperm count as well as sperm production. And it's not just that, 90 days, 74 to 90 days is actually one cycle of spermatogenesis, right? So what basically happens, if you take hot water baths every other day, you're definitely going to have a royal spank in your back with respect to sperm production. It's not good for fertility. And the increased, testicular temperatures, because you're fully immersed in hot water, or you keep on pouring hot water on your head, it's definitely going to kill both your sperm production, your quality, quantitatively as well as qualitatively. So not just that, there are molecular studies which have also looked at elevated scrotal temperature and its effect on sperm condensation. So the spermatozoa, when it comes outside the seminiferous tubules, it when it's produced in the seminiferous tubules. So when it comes outside, the sperm production takes place over a set of cells called as the Sertoli cells. So when when an individual sperm comes out, it's called spermiation. And what happens is the DNA of the head, the DNA basically is condensed and packaged into the head aspect of the sperm. So condensation defects, DNA condensation problems have been seen in individuals who take hot water baths. And not just that, protamination defects and increase in apoptotic cell death markers have also been reported. Not just that, prolonged exposure to the scrotum to heat definitely destroys even your Leydig cell function as well as your Sertoli cell function, which are both basically support cells for sperm production. So imagine it, you're taking, it's like basically, taking a building, destroying the pillars, destroying everyone inside the building. So your whole testicular, structure and function, takes a hit if you take a hot water bath daily. If you're taking it, say, once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, a nice jacuzzi, a nice relaxation, with sauna, it really doesn't matter. And even if you're trying for a child, it's okay. But there are people who regularly take hot water baths. They cannot take bath in cold water, they shiver and they get all trembly and so on. But for them, maybe you should avoid taking hot water. Use lukewarm water for bathing, or if you're sinking in a tub and going to relax, try to use lukewarm water, because it definitely impairs your sperm production. I hope you found this video informative. So should you take a hot water bath? And does hot water bath kill sperm production? It definitely does. There's ample studies on the topic. I've linked to a paper below. You can have a look at it directly if you don't believe what I tell you in the video. And I hope you found this video informative. Do share, comment, like and subscribe, and click on the bell notification icon as well. This is Dr. Shah, and I'll see you back soon with another video.